If you've been arrested for a DUI in Arizona and your blood or breath alcohol is above a 0.15% or a 0.20%, then you are charged with what's called an extreme DUI. And this video is here to explain what some of the consequences are for an extreme DUI in Arizona. Hi, I'm Shawn.hamp. I'm a trial lawyer and criminal defense attorney who practices law here in Mohave County, Arizona. An extreme DUI occurs when someone has a blood alcohol limit above a 0.15. So you may know 0.08 is the legal limit in Arizona for a DUI. But the Arizona Legislature has made tougher laws for people that are more impaired than that, for people that have consumed larger amounts of alcohol and still drive a motor vehicle. And for that, they have an extreme DUI. An extreme DUI level is at 0.15%. And if you are charged with an extreme DUI, two significant things will happen. If you're arrested for an extreme DUI and the breath alcohol results come back above a 0.15, the police will immediately impound your vehicle for 30 days. You cannot get your vehicle back unless you request a hearing with the police agency after 30 days. The other consequence that you will face is 30 days in jail. Compare that to a regular DUI, where regular DUI is punishable with 10 days in jail, but 9 days of those jail days can be suspended. An extreme DUI can be punished with 30 days in jail. In a regular DUI, a defendant will be punished to 10 days in jail, but none of those days can be suspended if they go to alcohol counseling. So therefore, they could serve as little as 1 day in jail. But an extreme DUI has much harsher jail penalties, and the minimum jail time is 30 days. And the only way a defendant can get those 30 days reduced is totally at the judge's discretion, and only if they show proof that they've had an ignition interlock device installed. And a super extreme DUI is much the same. A super extreme DUI is a DUI above a 0.20. And if you are arrested for a super extreme DUI, you will also get your car impounded for 30 days. And then you're facing a harsher penalty. A super extreme DUI faces 45 days in jail. And again, only some of those days in jail can be suspended solely at the judge's discretion, and again, only after an ignition interlock device is installed on a defendant's vehicle. So, as you can tell, the consequences for an extreme DUI and a super extreme DUI are exponentially more serious than a regular DUI. And if you're charged with an extreme DUI or a super extreme DUI, it is imperative that you talk to an attorney to find out what your rights are and what your defenses are in an extreme and super extreme DUI case. And if you have any questions about a criminal case, please give my office a call. Let's find out if your case is something that we can help you with. Call my office at 928-753-6868 or visit my website at hamplaw.com.